Here's a quick video showing you how a non-pianist would play this piano assignment. I get my fingers centered around the B flat, E flat and F, and then up in the top hand I will try the 7th here and the 3rd of that first chord. So that'll be my first voicing for the B flat chord. When I move to the E flat, I'm going to just move these top fingers down a semitone from here to here, and then back to the B flat chord again. Now when I go to the F chord, my fingers can move up to the A and the E flat and the F. Then move to the E flat chord, and then down to the B flat 7. So the whole 12 bars would be a 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the other option is to have the 7th on top of the top hand, like that, and you really just flipped the two fingers around.